Hey guys, Richard here. Yeah, hey, I'm out for a ride, and yeah, thought I'd bring you along. Oh, it's been raining today, but the sun came out. Woo, let's get up some speed here. Yeah, this is a nice bike. Hey, did I tell you what I'm riding? Hey, let me show you. Hey, how about it? This is the Kingbull Voyager 2, brand new bike that we just received here a few days ago. Got it all assembled and ready to go. And I tell you what, it's a nice bike. It's got some nice features. Hey, shout out to Kingbull because they've been a sponsor of our channel now for a while. They've sent us a few products last year. Really appreciate them giving us a chance to check out another product. And I'm glad they did because they've really upped their game. They have really increased the quality of their bikes, some new features, and they've just got some good things going on over there at Kingbull. So check them out for sure. This is a great style, great looking bike, great style, but it's got some nice features. Let me run over a couple things for you real quick. We do have a 750 watt motor, and that's mounted on mag rims. Now I like those mag rims. It just really adds a lot of style. Like that a lot. It's got a 15 amp hour battery hidden away down here. Got a pretty nice seat here with the air vent in the middle. Maybe a little firm. I will probably still swap that out for my favorite seat that fits my tush. Looking at the front here, they've got street tires on this guy instead of the traditional knobbies. So that's really nice. Looks good on there. Nice headlight up here. Good wire management. Everything looks nice and clean. I still have the keys on there. Everything looks nice. You got Zoom hydraulic brakes. You got a left-handed thumb throttle. Really nice display. I'm not sure if you can see that in the bright sun out here. Nice color display. Looks really good. Haven't seen one like this before. It's a 7-speed Shimano. Torque sensor. Okay. So you got a torque sensor in this guy, and it just runs really nice and smooth. Really like it. But they've got a unique feature too. Hey, you get foot pegs with this one. You don't get a passenger seat, but you do get foot pegs that you can install if you want to carry a passenger. That's already there for you. Do have a tail light back here, but this bike has a new feature that I have not seen on any other bike. Okay, kind of unique. It's something that I've actually talked about a few times on this channel in the past, and I'm really happy to see that they've come out with it. It's something that, well, I'm going to show you. Let's just show you. You can't see it too much in the daylight, but your power button and your pass up and down are all backlit. So at night, you'll be able to see them. I love that feature because oftentimes when I want to go for a ride at night, I can't see any of the controls, right? You just can't feel your way around, and sometimes you forget, where things are. It's just super nice that these are backlit so you can easily see the power button, easily see the up and down pass level. Now, you do have a headlight button here and a horn here. That's not backlit, I don't believe. Nor is, like your shifter. That's not backlit, of course. But it really is nice to see that the button pad is backlit. So good on you, Kingbull, for providing that. I don't know if any other brands have come out with it yet. Maybe they have. But just overall, really nice bike. I'm liking it how it rides. Let's get back on it and go. We're in pass 5 already. I'm just going to start with throttle only, man. This thing takes off pretty quick. Takes off nice and quick. Now, one thing I did notice right out of the box, the derailleur is out of adjustment just a little bit. So I'm gonna have to make that adjustment because in 7th gear here, you hear a little chatter back there because the chain is kind of not exactly positioned correctly on the sprocket. If I bump it back down into 6th gear, then yeah, it quietens up and everything's fine. So just one small little adjustment back there for that. That's the only thing I needed to do. Back in the 7th, you hear just a little bit of a chatter. But hey, on throttle, you can go up to 20 miles an hour, which is okay. A lot of companies are starting to do that instead of giving you full speed. But this one does go up to 28 if you pedal. And what I've been able to figure out is I can pedal up to about 25 miles per hour or so for me personally, before I get to the point of, I just don't want to pedal any faster than that. So, but it's a lot better than some. Some bikes only give you up to 19, 20, and then by that time you're just pedaling super fast. we're gonna go through the grass here. And look, using throttle only. Man, we just cut right through that grass with no problem. Got plenty of power. Got that torque sensor. I'm just gonna pedal a little faster and get up to speed. That's super nice. Got a lot of traffic here. Dodge some potholes, dodge the water. Yeah, so super nice bike. Make sure you follow the link down below and go check it out. We'll be doing some more videos about it here soon. So yeah, as we get familiar with it, we will bring you some more information, but we haven't had it long. I've only had 5 miles on it so far. Yeah, but so far, super nice ride. Hey, my buddy Ron likes it a lot too. If you're a regular on my channel, you know Ron. He really likes Kingbull brand, and he's got his eye on this one. He said, man, I really like that, Richard. So let me know in the comments down below, does Ron deserve the new Voyager 2.0, or Voyager 2, I should say? Yeah, let's see what kind of comments we get. If we get enough comments, Ron's gonna inherit this, because he sure does help me out a lot. He does. He helps me out a lot on the channel. He's always over volunteering to help and do things and assemble stuff. He says it gives him something to do, and I sure appreciate the help. So I appreciate him. So let me know down below if you think I should let Ron have the Voyager 2 when I'm done making all these videos for Kingbull. I gotta tell you, it's a pretty nice ride, and it might be hard for me to give up. Yeah, this is one of those that's like, oh man, I'm gonna hold on to this for a while. That's kind of how I'm feeling right now. But we'll see, time will tell, right? Guys, that's gonna be it. Appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you in another video real soon.